Jitesh,
Yes, sir.
tell us something about yourself, your family, your parents, your educational background.
Sir, I have done my graduation from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh in civil engineering. I'm a pass out of the batch 2018. During my college time, I was the branch head of training and placement office, as well as the executive committee member of American Society of Civil Engineers. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. My family runs a business, and I'm the only child.
Okay. So, first question is why this shift from civil engineering to civil services?
Sir, during my college days itself, I was inclined towards civil services preparation because I was inspired by the work of Mrs. Smita Sabharwal ma'am, also known as People's Officer. I read a lot about her and I was inspired by the work she was doing as a civil servant. So I thought it provides an opportunity to work at the grassroots level and to contribute to the country's development. And also, I think with a civil servant, there comes some financial stability which I was attracted towards.
Okay. So, you are from Parnami School,
Yes,
Shivani.
yes, sir.
So, do you remember any other personality from that school?
Yes, sir. My principal, sir, school principal, Sri S.S. Balara, sir.
Balara.
Yes, sir, Balara,
Acha,
sir.
Balara is your principal.
Uh,
Was.
he was our principal during my time, sir.
Okay. And some other personality,
Uh,
some big names from your school.
not actually. No.
Shivani. Shivani, tell us something about Shivani. Though it this question may not be may not crop there if they ask you not to name of the place and your name. But if they ask if that restriction is not there, so what is Shivani? How this name was given to the village or that small town?
So Sivani is a outer town on the outskirts of the city Hisar. It's basically an industrial town where a lot of agri-based industries are there, and it has been developing fastly as a town, small town. So,
कौन सी एग्री बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री है वहाँ?
main the Chana Dal industries and the Guargam industries.
मिल्स है।
Yes, sir.
क्या नाम से किस ब्रांड से हैं?
Sir, one is Shankar Dal Mill and another is Vikas WSP, a big name in Guargam Industries in our area, sir.
Okay. And who is the SDM there?
I don't know, sir.
SDM still living in Shivani?
Sir, I was living in Chandigarh
Parents
for
are in Shivani.
parents are in Shivani.
What business they are doing?
Sir, Dal Mill,
Dal
sir.
market. Okay, dal. So you did it from Sanskrit. Your
Civil,
optional was Sanskrit.
no, sir, optional is mathematics, sir.
ये पता नहीं कैसे यहाँ संस्कृत लिखा गया, मैथमेटिक्स। तो
यहाँ पे संस्कृत
हाँ
मैथमेटिक्स
Yes, sir.
सॉरी
हाँ, मैंने काट दिया।
ठीक
हाँ, कोई नहीं, गलती से लिखा गया होगा क्योंकि संस्कृत नॉर्मली है नहीं लोगों के पास। मैथमेटिक्स, ओके। सो व्हाई डिड यू चूज मैथमेटिक्स?
Sir,
बिकॉज ऑफ योर इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड।
from my school itself, I had an interest in mathematics. And when I went through the GS syllabus during civil services preparation, I realized that more of it is based on theoretical subjects. And then I thought that mathematics may provide me an opportunity to numerical questions and break the monotony of the theoretical based questions. And plus, during my research on optional, I found that mathematics is quite a scoring subject. So I thought that it will provide me an opportunity to score well, sir.
What is Pythagoras theorem?
Sir, Pythagoras theorem is a theorem for right angle triangle where the square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of Pythagoras perpendicular plus base.
And how do you feel that maths is relevant in administration?
Sir, maths is very important subject in administration, I think, sir, because now technology has become an integral part of administration. And when we talk about artificial intelligence, deep learning, the concepts of statistics, probability, algebra come into this. And also I think, sir, the project estimation, project execution analysis, and workforce optimization as well as resource optimization, mathematics has a great value in it. Plus I assign a psych also, sir, because in mathematics we come across many different problems which are unheard of, but the basic concept remain the same. We need to implement those basic concepts to solve those questions. And as a civil servant we are bound to face some unheard challenges, but the basic concept of serving the public remains the same. So I think mathematics provide us a psychological advantage to face these challenges, sir.
And what about engineering? How do you relate it to civil services?
Sir, as India is prospering well in infrastructure side and we have a lot of infrastructure gap right now, so civil engineering comes in handy in this part, because as we are seeing that different bridges and different kind of infrastructures are going all across the country, and plus the analysis part also comes in this engineering, sir.
You play cricket or just watch cricket?
Both, sir. I also play cricket and watch movie.
Do you play also?
Yes, sir.
Don't you think cricket is wastage of time? It takes a lot of time and very little exercise.
No, sir, I don't think so, sir, because sports is very necessary. And when it comes to cricket, the physical exercises that are involved in cricket, lot of running and lot of brain reflex actions are required in cricket. So it does help as a person to improve physical health, sir. And plus, cricket is making careers of a lot of people. So I think, sir, it's a
So
very
that
good.
way it's very popular, and they say that it is taking the chunk of other games also.
Sir, because the lot of games are driven by the economics behind it, sir. In India right now, cricket generates a lot of income for those involved. So majorly the chunk of the expenditure in sports is going through cricket. But now different sports are also coming across, like football, javelin throw recently, and badminton, which are performing the eyeballs of the Indian people, sir.
And what about movies? What sort of movies you see?
Sir, I prefer
You
romantic.
see it for entertainment, or you derive some good points also from there?
Sir, when I watch movies, I differentiate it on the basis of genre, sir. If it's a fictional movie mainly for the commercial purposes and entertainment, then I look it from that viewpoint. But otherwise, if it is a biopic or some social drama, then I look it from that point that I can learn something from that movie, sir.
Some good movies which you appreciate.
Sir, one is Chak De India, sir, one of my favorite movies, sir. And
Because
then,
it's on sports.
yes,
Rather,
sir.
not on cricket. Cricket
It
की
is on
तो
hockey.
लगान थी.
Lagan, and then different biopics on MS Dhoni and Sachin Tendulkar also there. And the other one is the recent social drama Lapata Ladies that I also liked.
Yeah. Yes.
Your mathematics is optional. Can you briefly talk about the Indian contribution to mathematics?
Sir, Indian contribution to mathematics start from the ancient history time. When we talk about Aryabhatta, he contributed the usage of zero, and then the decimal system and the notation system that we introduced in the ancient time. Also Bhaskara 1 and Bhaskara 2 has played an important role. Bhaskara 1 defined that when we divide any number by 0, it comes to infinity, and when we add anything to infinity, it is also
Now
infinity.
you talk about infinity, right? Consider me a 5-year-old and explain me the limit x tends to infinity.
Extends to infinity.
If I was 5-year-old, how would you explain? You have a brother, younger nephew, he's
Younger nephew.
so he would, let's say, assume that he's in front of you and you want to explain him. He says, "Bhai, aap kya padh rahe ho?" Then mathematics. That's kya padh rahe ho? Calculus. Just kya hoga? I said, right? So he says, "Batao, samjhao mujhe." Right? The extends to infinity. How would you explain it?
So I will explain him in terms of the distance of sun from the earth, that it's very far from that, and then extends to infinity can be understood by this fact, sir.
Yes. Okay, have you heard of the Zeno's paradox?
Repeat?
Zeno's paradox. There's
No,
a
sir.
story like if let's say a tortoise is in front of me and I am running behind it, because the distance between me and the tortoise is A, can be divided into infinite steps. I can never overcome the tortoise.
I haven't heard about that.
When is the International Day of Mathematics?
International?
Day of Mathematics. Pi Day, it is called Pi Day.
Sir, I'm not aware about International Day, but National Day is on 22nd December.
And whose birthday is it?
Sir, on Mr. Srinivas Ramanujan, sir.
What's the importance of pi in mathematics?
Sir,
Which Indian person first gave pi?
so it was Mr. Srinivas Ramanujan who find a formula to find the value of pi, and pi is a very important notation in value in algebraic numericals. Sir. When we talk about when we study the concepts of circles, sir, the area, circumference are involved in these pi calculations, sir, and various high-level algorithms. Sir.
What is Laplace transformation?
So Laplace transformation is used in optimization, sir. When we have more than two constraints, so Laplace transformation can be utilized to derive the optimization value of anything like the maximum or minimum areas or the optimal workforce, optimal transportation problems, sir.
Now, let's say you're in rural India. What is the importance of mathematics in rural India?
Sir, in rural India, mathematics, like lot of development right now is taking place in rural areas, sir. So when we talk about different infrastructure projects or different wage allowances schemes like SMG Narega and the PM Awas Yojana that is going on. So what is the allocation and demand of the rural areas, like demand-based schemes these are. So in mathematics that plays an important role there, sir. And the general ability is very important, sir. I think we need to have general ability of mathematics numeracy here there, sir.
Okay. Last question. You are a civil engineer, right? And civil engineering is available, right, to be taken for the exam. So why did you take mathematics instead?
Sir, because in my school time I was scoring well in mathematics and I had an interest in mathematics.
Not scoring well in civil engineering.
No, sir, I thought that it was an opportunity to pursue my interest, as well as during my optional research I found that mathematics is comparatively compared to civil engineering. So I was.
Okay. जितेश भिवानी से हैं आप और आप एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हैं जितना मैं आपको समझ पाया भिवानी भी एक खास खेल के लिए बहुत फेमस है पूरे देश में न सिर्फ हरियाणा में कौन सा खेल
सर रेसलिंग सर
रेसलिंग ओके कोई पर्टिकुलर रेसलर्स हैं इस इलाके से जिनका आप नाम नोट कर सकें
Yes, sir. The famous Babita Phogat and Geeta Phogat sisters main are there, sir.
सिस्टर्स ठीक है बॉक्सिंग की नर्सरी किस इलाके को कहा जाता था
It is also Bhiwani, sir.
इट इज आल्सो भिवानी
I think, sir.
सो लैंड ऑफ वॉरियर्स हाँ
Yes, sir. Land of warriors, as well as it is famous for the temples called as Mini Kashi of Haryana, sir.
Okay, tell me about some famous temples up there.
Sir, one is Star Temple, sir, and one is Bhavani Amba Devi Temple.
Mani Amba Devi. Okay. सिर्फ दो
I can recall at this.
सिर्फ दो की वजह से इतना फेमस
No, sir, there are many temples, but I can't recall.
Okay.
I am not able to recall.
पहाड़ी का मंदिर पता है?
What, sir?
पहाड़ी मंदिर.
Yes, sir. Devsar Dham is also there, sir. Pahadi Mandir. It is on a hill. Devsar Dham is.
ओके आपने बात की मैडम स्मिता सब्रवाल के बारे में
Yes.
तो स्मिता सब्रवाल तेलंगाना से
Yes, sir. Telangana capital.
तो उनके कोई भी मुझे बताएं कुछ काम जिनसे आप प्रभावित हुए हैं और इतने प्रभावित कि आप सिविल सर्विस ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं
Sir, she started a project called Fund Your City, sir, in Warangal. The main aim was that through triple P mode, public utilities were to be developed there, sir. And also in Karimnagar district, she worked in education and health sector. And as I can recall, she was the first women IAS officer to be part of CMO, sir. That's why the work that she done in the to known as the people's officer. People started calling her like that, sir.
समथिंग रिलेटेड टू इलेक्शन ड्यूटी एज वेल
Not aware about it, sir, but mainly education and health.
यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोग्राम
Yes, sir.
इसके बारे में थोड़ा क्योंकि ये बड़ा रेनॉन्ड प्रोग्राम रहा है वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस हम इसको कहते हैं कंसीडर करना चाहिए रिसोर्स जनरेशन के मामले में इसके बारे में आप मुझे बताएं क्या था ये प्रोग्राम मोटा मोटा
Sir, the main aim of the program was to establish the public utilities in the area. The main aim was that people should be part of the process of development, so that the development takes place through public-private partnership. People also contribute, and the government also takes the major steps to this project. So through this project, people were able to contribute towards the development of the citizen.
Okay, very good. Now we come to this thing again in हरियाणा. Just एक चीज मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि हरियाणा में ठीक है सीएम या की रिपोर्ट है ऑल टाइम हाई जो है यहाँ पे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट भी है रिसेंट टाइम के अंदर इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन ना होने की कि हरियाणा इंडस्ट्रियलाइज नहीं हो पा रहा, क्या हो जाए?
Sir, as I see about unemployment, recently NSS.
I'm talking about इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा?
So the main factor is over-reliance on agriculture. As Haryana is an agrarian state contributing most to the football, there's over-reliance on agriculture, plus there is skill mismatch. The employability of the individuals is less, and the private investment after COVID has significantly gone down. So industrialization has taken a big hit there. And the new low 75% reservation in private sector, the companies are contemplating to move out of the state due to this reason, because of the reservation that has been introduced in the Haryana
so
state.
ये setback रहा है जो 75%.
Sir, as can be seen in Gurgaon sir, itself, sir, different companies have protested against this, and the matter is also subjudized, sir.
Is subsidized or decided by Punjab and Haryana High Court?
Sir, I don't know about the exact result about this, but it was in court, sir.
Okay, good. What is the role of CAG in transparency and accountability? CAG, I believe, Comptroller
Yes.
and Auditor General of India.
Sir, CAG plays an important role in ensuring the financial transparency in the country. As Dr. B. R. Ambedkar also said that he is the most important officer as of our constitution, because the entire transparency, especially on the expenditure part, the different reports that CAG presents in the to the president about the expenditure report and the report on public undertakings, these are important because through these reports parliament are able to hold the executive accountable about whether the money that was meant for various schemes has been used for that purpose or it was not used, or the authority that was given was utilized properly or not. So
Okay. CAG can audit part or income part also of the government.
sir, on expenditure part, CAG has the liberty to decide the rules and the various limits on the audit. But on receipts, there are some limitation, like it has to go through the executive parts, rules, the limits. Sir.
The
It
CAG can audit.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is part.
yes, sir.
Okay. Just last question. Do you know the phenomena of disguised unemployment?
Yes, sir.
What is it about?
Sir, disguised unemployment is like, if I explain with an example, if there is a family business where only 2 persons are required, but all the members of family who can work anywhere else are also employed there, but the work was only for 2 to 3 people. So the rest, the people which are employed there can be termed as disguised unemployment, sir.
तो क्या आप इसका कोई उदाहरण मुझे हरियाणा की सोसाइटी में दे सकते हैं? क्या हरियाणा में है या नहीं है?
Sir, it can be seen in agriculture, sir. Basically, agriculture. Sir, and
उसके आधार घट रहे हैं, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है.
yes, sir, because the contribution of agriculture to GDP is decreasing, but still it is the major recruiter, sir, major employer, sir.
मुझे कोई बस 2-3 तरीके बताएं कि आप एज ए ब्यूरोक्रेट क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे कि इस डिस्गाइज्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट को जो भी एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में हम टैकल कर सकें, कम कर सकें, घटा सकें या खत्म कर सकें.
Sir, main will be to enhance the skill development, sir, especially in the knowledge-based industries and soft skills, sir, so that people are employable in the corporate sector, which Haryana is become a hub, especially due to Gurgaon. And another will be to open the higher education possibilities more, sir, because after secondary education there is more dropout ratio in India and especially in Haryana. So if we can promote higher education, that will also help, sir. And that private investment needs to be increased, sir. If technology is penetrated more in agriculture, sir, I think people will start more agriculture because of the less individual requirements, sir.
Okay, fair enough. Sir, anything else? Okay, this interview is over. आप 3 से 4 मिनट वेट करें और फिर हम साथ सर ने कहा कि सबसे पहले आप बताएं कि आपका असेसमेंट क्या है अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को लेकर, कैसा रहा इंटरव्यू आपका?
Sir, I think It was good, but certain areas that I can improve, that I thought that I was a bit nervous during the interview, and the questions around rural areas I need to improve on that. So
Yeah, nervousness is natural and normal, जो visible नहीं थी, तो थोड़ी नर्वसनेस रहती है, पर आपका जो लैंग्वेज है, कम्युनिकेशन है और स्पीड है, वॉल्यूम है, वो सब ठीक है। और आंसर्स भी ज़्यादातर ओके हैं, सारे आंसर कहीं भी ठीक नहीं होते। इट वाज वेरी गुड। गुड आपने कहा तो हम उसे वेरी गुड बोल देते हैं कि इट वाज वेरी गुड ओवरऑल। तो लेकिन कुछ जगह जहाँ इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है, उसमें एक तो ये है कि जैसे केजरीवाल आपके गांव से है,
हाँ जी सर।
दूसरे पता होना ही सपोज कि भाई होना चाहिए
ओके।
कहाँ से नाम आया, प्रणामी कहाँ से आया, प्रणामी क्या सेक्ट है, उसके बारे में मैंने अभी पूछा नहीं ज़्यादा, क्योंकि आपका स्कूल है, आपने 10 साल गुजारे हैं वहाँ, 12 भी हो सकता है, और सदा वहीं रहते हो, गाँव तो वहीं है, पेरेंट्स तो वहीं है,
हाँ जी।
तो वो तो बात चलती है, प्रणामी के फंक्शन भी होते होंगे,
Yes,
मूर्ति भी लगी है अंदर, कहाँ से आया है ये सेक्टर, तो यू शुड नो अबाउट दैट। मैंने पूछा ही नहीं इसीलिए क्योंकि शिवानी नहीं पता, तो शिवानी तो और जेनरिक है, तो केजरीवाल नहीं पता जो सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है इस समय, फेमस है वहाँ का, और शिवानी का, एंड एवरीबडी हरियाणा में सब जानते हैं कि वो वहाँ से है। अच्छा, उसके
प्रिपेयर करें प्लीज।
हाँ, वो भी बेशक हो सकता है ना पूछे जाए, लेकिन पता होना जरूरी है। जो इंटरव्यू का मेन थ्रस्ट होता है, वो होता है कि थिंकिंग और knowledge of that level which a uneducated person, a graduate is supposed to know, not that everything, but जो ज़्यादातर चीज़ें अवेयरनेस की। भाई एक पढ़ा लिखा आदमी है, पढ़े लिखे आदमी को ये पता ना हो ये सड़क कहाँ जाती है, तो या आगे कहाँ तक जाती है, तो फिर उसमें और अनपढ़ आदमी में क्या फ़र्क है?
हाँ जी सर।
तो ड्राइवर को भी अनपढ़ को पता हो सकता है, लेकिन पढ़े लिखे आदमी को भी पता होना चाहिए कि लास्ट ये कौन, या कौन सा नेशनल हाईवे है। ये मेरा जस्ट एग्जांपल के लिए बता रहा हूँ। तो ओवरऑल इट वाज वेरी गुड। एक मैंने देखा आपने शायद फ्रेश शर्ट खोल के पहनी है, तो धो के पहनो इसे और प्रेस जरूर कराओ भी, क्योंकि आपने शायद नहीं ली है तो लंबी है, तो वो आल्टर करने वाली है, मतलब थोड़ा रिड्यूस करने वाली है। कोई जरूरत नहीं टाई पहननी हो पहनो, नहीं पहननी नहीं पहनो, कोट पहनना है पहनो, क्योंकि मौसम कोट का नहीं है। लेकिन ड्रेस में ये छोटी छोटी चीजें नोटिस हो जाती हैं, आप खुद भी कॉन्शियस हो जाते हो फ्रेश है तो धो के प्रेस करा के पहनो, और इसी तरह से पैंट भी लेंथ ठीक करा लो। ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, अगर कोई लगे तो। बाकी आप और दोनों ऑफिसर्स भी आपको फीडबैक देंगे।
प्लीज सर।
Okay, Jitesh, right, about mathematics, right? We can answer. Indian mathematics वाले question तो हो गए.
अच्छा सर।
That's what bound to happen. Then civil and mathematics, the comparison ना चाहिए, which has to be maybe technical from both sides, right? So I've studied mathematics for how many years?
सर
12.
सिर्फ 12 सर।
Nearly 12 years, right? And how many years study civil engineering?
4 years सर।
Right. So,
Subject
I have studied
and-
it more. So I feel more comfortable there. Right. And civil engineering, sir, I feel like despite all my knowledge, I know little in comparison to maybe an experienced civil engineer, because I've never worked as a civil engineer. Right. The other answers can be either love for mathematics. Right. That's I really love mathematics. अब तूने ये बोल दिया तो फिर वो वहाँ पे फिर mathematics पे questions के लिए ready होना. ठीक है, but whatever you might do, remember defensive no one
ओके
about
सर।
it. ठीक है.
मतलब रुक जाना है, जहाँ गलती हो जाए नहीं आता तो रुक जाए।
ठीक है. So जैसे पाई डे था, ठीक है, पाई डे कब होगा भाई? मार्च 14 को ही होगा, ठीक है ना? Right? 314 ना
Yes,
basically.
sir.
हाँ, so वो थोड़ा सा वैसा था कि पाई डे की नहीं पता था, इंटरनेशनल पार्लियामेंट की नहीं पता, which was strange. Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta you didn't discuss. Zero wala.
ओके
So, you know, Aryabhatta used it, then Brahmagupta used in calculations. Second, there are two basic, you know, when you read, you realize that दो लोग हैं to basically discuss कि zero किसने किया. But then obviously Aryabhatta was like a 3D prior to him, so they did this great right? Then use of pipe where we can define the answer because all these questions are very expected in your case, right? Because I'm not say calculus का सवाल तो करवाना है. Second, so the only thing I can do is I can have a conversation with Indian mathematicians. So एक हर mathematician पे 2-3 लाइन right? Rest of the part I think was very decent, right? And that काफी decent answer. We should be getting through it.
Thanks.
सिविल इंजीनियरिंग पे हमने नहीं पूछा बिकॉज हमारी किसी की बैकग्राउंड नहीं है. इंजीनियरिंग पे सम बेसिक क्वेश्चन लाइक क्या प्रिंसिपल्स है अभी बताओ, स्पॉन्टेनियसली बताओ. विच आर द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ सिविल इंजीनियरिंग?
So the basic principles of civil engineering, that safety factor of safety, sir, and then surveying principles are there when we move to from whole to part or part to whole, and then transport. In transport engineering, we about alignment, gradients, to minimize the cost as well as to maximize the utility of the alignment, sir. So these kind of principles and the various loads that may be acting right now as well as in the future. So the in civil engineering we need to take care of the present as well as the future requirements. So
स्ट्रक्चरल स्टेबिलिटी,
yes, sir.
लोड का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लोड, ये आपने सारी टर्म्स आई होंगी. अब मुझे अब ख्याल आई है कि आपसे ये कह दिया जाए कि आप एक मकान बनाने जा रहे हो, बिल्डिंग बनाने जा रहे हो, तो क्या क्या चीजें देखोगे? सबसे पहले सॉइल टेस्टिंग,
Soil.
वाटर टेस्टिंग, बातें ये आपकी सिविल इंजीनियरिंग की है जो मुझे अब ख्याल आ रही है मैम, क्योंकि मैंने भी जब ये किया तो मुझे पता चला कि ये चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. देन लोड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. देन स्ट्रक्चर स्टेबिलिटी को कैसे देखना है, क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स है, कितना बड़ा तक हॉल आप बिना पिलर्स के बना सकते हैं और कैसे बनाएंगे. वट आर सपोज आपसे पूछा जाए आर्य मंदिर है चंडीगढ़ में 7 सेक्टर में, उसका बिगेस्ट हॉल है. मुझे बहुत सीनियर आईएएस ऑफिसर ने बताया कि ही कॉल्ड फर्स्ट बिग इंजीनियर कि भाई इसको बनाना हो तो भाई बिना पिलर के बनाना है. कहता ना जी 100 पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, कोलैप्स हो जाएगा, इतनी बड़ी स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बनेगी, इससे बड़ा नहीं बनेगा बिना पिलर के, इतना ही बनेगा, मान लो 20 बाई 20 का बनेगा. मैंने कहा एक नए बंदे लड़के को बुलाया क्योंकि अब नई टेक्नोलॉजी सब कुछ नए ढंग से आ रहा है. अब वो बना हुआ है, जाके देखना कभी, कम से कम भी 200 फीट बाई 200 फीट का सिंगल पिलर वॉल्स पे खड़ा है. सो ऐसे सवाल जो प्रैक्टिकली अनफॉर्चुनेटली अवर सिविल इंजीनियर्स डू नॉट नो एनीथिंग. उनसे पूछ लिया जाए ब्रिक की लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ क्या है, यू डोंट नो. मेसन को पता है, वो आपको बता देगा. मेसन इज बेटर इंजीनियर देन आवर सिविल इंजीनियर्स. दिस इज अनफॉर्चुनेट. प्रैक्टिकली दे आर बेटर इंजीनियर. हमारे जो इंजीनियर हैं एक वॉल नहीं बना सकते. किसी को आपको शायद सिखाया भी नहीं जाता कि एक वॉल खींचो.
No, sir.
भी हमारी एजुकेशन की सबसे बड़ा फ्लॉ यही है. सबसे पहले आपको बोलना चाहिए कि ये ईंटें लो, ये गारा लो, ये सीमेंट लो, एक दीवार बना के दिखाओ हमें. और वो जो लगाता है वो त्रिशंकु लगाता है सीधा देखने के लिए. कितने पढ़े लिखे हैं वो लोग, कितना साइंस जानते हैं. हमारे इंजीनियर नहीं जानते वो चीजें. प्रैक्टिकली दे कांट डू एनीथिंग. उनको कुछ निकालने को बोल दिया जाए बताने क्वेश्चन भी, अगर उनमें कोई इंजीनियर बैठा होगा तो वो आपको इंजीनियरिंग पे घेरेगा, पक्का बता रहा हूँ. क्योंकि मैथमेटिक्स इंजीनियरिंग तो एक ही है, वो था लॉजिकल.
हाँ जी, sir.
लॉजिकल थिंकिंग का बोलो. मेन मैथमेटिक्स क्या है, बेसिकली ऑल मैथमेटिक्स इज लॉजिक. तो की लॉजिकल थिंकिंग डेवलप होती है उससे. एनीवे प्लीज सॉरी.
नहीं सर, जितेश वैसे समराइज कर दिया सर ने और सब चीज़ें आपके फेवर में. अच्छा प्रोफाइल है आपका, यंग है, एनर्जेटिक हैं आप, है ना, तो सब ठीक है. बस एक पॉइंट की तरफ में आप ऑब्वियसली ड्रेसअप तो अच्छा होंगे उस दिन, जैसे सर ने बता भी दिया आपको, है ना.
Yes, sir.
और इसके बाद प्लीज हैंड पोजीशन थोड़ी ठीक कर लीजिएगा. इट्स लाइक आप बिल्कुल, मैं उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ आप आयरन शर्ट में, आप पैंट में, मे बी सूट एंड टाई में बैठे हैं और इस दौरान सब कुछ बढ़िया है, परफेक्ट. लेकिन अगर हाथ आप ऐसे करके बैठे हैं, लाइक आपके यहाँ नजर नहीं आएगा. अगर ये थोड़ा ना इनफॉर्मल सा
और थोड़ा सीधा कर ले. ठीक कह रहे स्माइल.
बस ऐसे, मतलब मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि
अलर्ट
स्टोन हो जाए इसमें.
Yes,
आप
sir.
चाहे कर लीजिएगा थोड़ा सा ये वाला आपकी पर्सनैलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग
प्राइज हो जाए आदमी तो ठीक है, बढ़िया, बट यू डिजर्व इट। एंड जो भी यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं, हम सबको खाली पॉजिटिव वो नहीं दे रहे हैं डोज, हम यहाँ पर जो आ रहे हैं वो ज्यादातर मेरिटोरियस है, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल। जो पॉलिटिकल टाइप के होते हैं वो बाहर ही रहते हैं, और जो एग्जाम क्लियर कर जाते हैं वो सब मेरिटोरियस ही होते हैं वो, क्योंकि 3 टाइम्स से ही लेते हैं मेरे ख्याल।
Yes, sir.
तो 3 टाइम्स में तो कितने लोग अपीयर होते हैं? 1 लाख लोग अपीयर होता है, 2 लाख लोग, तो उसमें से 3 टाइम्स तो बनते हैं, 500 भी नहीं बनते, 200-300 ही बनते हैं।
Yes.
तो फिर मेरिटोरियस तो है ही।
That's awesome.
ऑल द बेस्ट।
ऑल द
Thank you. Thank you.